How to fix TikTok direct messages option not showing. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, keep holding your TikTok icon and tap on app info. Now tap on storage uses and tap on clear data. Now click on delete. Now go back to your home screen. Open up your Play Store. Search for TikTok. Now tap on TikTok and click on update. Now wait for some time. Now go back to your home screen and open up TikTok. Now sign into your account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.